What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are here at Sweet Mobile Mechanics right here in Osceola, Indiana. I think it's 10,005 McKinley Avenue or Street or Drive or one of them things. But there's a notification that Trap My Ride is live, guys. Check it out. We're all out here hanging out. We got a couple mini trucks out here. They're messing with the smart car, man. He's got a project he wants to do on that. Big wheels and stereo. We're back here talking about that. I keep telling him to put 24s on that thing. That'd be so cool, but I don't know if you really get them on there, guys. But I do know that he really is plotting a stereo. He wants to put a couple 12s and some stuff in here. So guys, when the time comes about, we may come up and help him out when he does it. But guys, we're gonna flip this camera around and you can check out what's up here. Yeah, they got the S10 out. This thing is nasty too, man. This is one of my favorite trucks that comes out. I am a bit partial, I can't lie. Look at this. Nasty. Yeah, he got this thing out, this little Toyota. He got his My Crew up there, you see him? This is a Corolla, man. It's so funky looking, man. I have a hard time believing it's a little Corolla, but I like this little car, whatever the hell it is. A lot of carbon fiber. I love the mirrors, this is my favorite thing. They got the Subi out here. Yeah, one of my favorite body style Subis right here. Yeah, he got the Lamborghini out here. Eli out here. They got the Audi wagon. You see him? Mini truck sitting here. Yeah, here's a smart car, man. Hey, tell them what you want to do with the smart car, man. Tell everybody. What's the plot? Because I told him you were talking about wheels and stereo.
So I'm thinking get some 18s, maybe some 19s if they'll fit with some rubber bands. Then back here in the truck, I want to drop in a custom box, pop some 8-inch high ends, popping inward, with some 12s popping back. Possibly thinking about switches, get the airbags dropping in.
Oh man.
Just to freshen it up.
Don't forget the lights.
I'm really thinking doing some little tight paint job. You know, that red and yellow?
The little tights. Yeah, dude, that'd be awesome. Are you gonna light it up, man? You can do underglow, interior lights, all that stuff. So he go
lights in with the speakers.
Let's show him how little room is in here, man. Like what we're actually talking about, how little space there is for two 12s. Look at this, guys. This is the airspace that he's gonna have for two 12s. It's enough room for the box and the amps and probably a second battery. And guys, this thing, look, it's got a glass roof in here. This thing's gonna come apart. It's gonna be so awesome. I can't wait for this. If you need any help, you know where I'm at, brother. Hit me up.
It also helps that the whole thing's plastic.
Yeah, it's gonna come apart. It's so gonna come apart. Little pieces everywhere.
Rattle the whole thing into pieces.
It will be. Oh my gosh. I don't know. It might actually be pretty good, like the Rubbermaid Tupperware. It might be that kind of plastic. You know what I mean? It might not be like Dollar General toy plastic.
Drop it off the cliff and it's still good.
Oh, dude, it'd be awesome. It just bounces. You pick it up and just put it right back. Eli was picking it up earlier.
The whole thing. Those wheels off the ground.
Eli, you want to pick us up for me again, man? While we got you on camera. I mean, you know, it's no big deal. Just pick this car up for us. You see that? I just asked him like, hey, you want to grab something for me real quick? Watch, guys. Look at this. Look. Yeah, he got him, guys.
It's too tall, boy.
Hey,
it's too tall right there.
What fucking shit were you moving?
What?
You ever seen the videos where the dudes are picking it up and fucking moving it?
Like this way?
Yeah.
I was doing it on my shoulders, boy.
On that side, the ground's probably taller. Let's see. Look at this, guys. He's getting it off the ground. He rolled this thing over.
Then all of a sudden the airbag popped.
Oh my gosh, I know, right?
I don't want to pop the airbag.
Yeah, that's crazy, man. When you did it from the other side, oh man. Nico right here, man. Why he's right here. We got to give a shout out to him, dude. These guys, they fixed the mini truck this morning. They stopped it from swaying. It is awesome. Big shout out. Super thank you, man. That is awesome. Everybody get on there and give him a big shout out. That's awesome. We love that, man. Ooh, there he goes. We're right down in here, guys. Let's see if I can get this camera on it. You see right down in there? Where that notch is right there? That's what they welded. You can see a little bit from the blast. But that's what they helped me out with. Welded that for me. And they tightened the bar up. Whatever that is. There's the Beamer. Ooh, there he is. There he is. I think we're standing right where he's trying to get. Yeah. Got the Audi and the Stang bangers back here. Look at this. Mopar. Mopar in the house, and they got the Chevy back here. Look at them headlights in that thing, man. We gotta check that out. Yeah, 392. I'm not even sure what this is. It got a B on it, man. Super B. Yeah, that's sick. Man, they got the RT. I like the front end on this. Look at this grill, guys. See that? That's dope on that car. That's the first one I seen like that too. I like that a lot. That looks real good. Yeah. He got him a bumper on the Mustang. Check him out, guys. Check him out. Check him out. He got that on here. Ooh, there it is. You see it? That's the bumper. Damn, look at the back of this thing. Nasty. Tim, he got the mini truck sitting out here. What's up, Keelan? How you doing, man? Yeah. Brent's Marrow. Look at this thing inside. Crazy. Yeah. Marrow's out here. Chevy gang deep. Yeah. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're out here doing today. Big shout out to Sublet Graphics. They got the new Trap My Ride shirt. You see that? On the back, it says keep on trapping. You can't see it like that, guys. It's not going to work. But anyways, that's what it is. That's what we're out here doing, guys. Smart car, mini truck. I wonder, we should get this thing plugged in and give it an IQ test and see how smart it really is. Ooh, you hear that over there? Pop, 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 pop. We got the beamer banging. That's what it is, guys. But that's what we're doing tonight, guys. We're hanging out up here in Osceola at Sweets Mechanics. Hell, I forget what the hell it is, guys. But that's where we're at. We'll see you in the next one. Keep on trapping.